the program we are launching today is meant to be a direct response to this crisis. And the program is titled Promoting Sustainable Tourism and Private Sector Engagement for Inclusive Community Development in Response to the COVID-19 Crisis. Representing the ministry today and also as a co-chair of the National Implementation Plan for this project, I wanted to just indicate that this program is a partnership. It's funded by GIZ, a partnership between Ministry of Environment, Forestry and Tourism, Ministry of Education, Arts and Culture, UNESCO, and other stakeholders. Without further ado, I now have the honor to invite Madam Elise Ashikutuva, Deputy Director in the Ministry of Environment, Forestry and Tourism.